Hey guys, so we're at Google I/O 2019 and today we are checking out the new Google Nest Hub and Google Nest Hub Max. And if you've seen this before, it's probably because it used to be called the Google Home Hub, but they're rebranding it to be part of the Nest ecosystem. And there's a few reasons for this. One of the big reasons actually is because you can use it as a Nest camera. So if you've got one of these in your house, you can open up the Nest app on your phone and you can see what's going on in your home. You can connect to all your Nest cams and it just kind of works as a Nest cam as well as a Google Home Hub, which was already really useful. Of course, because it's like a Google Home Hub, you can use it as a visual Google Assistant. So you can do things like play YouTube, you can play music on it, and it's just kind of this combination between the Google Assistant, the Google Home Hub, and a Nest. So if you've got the Nest ecosystem populated in your house, this will slide right into that ecosystem. So one of the big changes on the Google Nest Hub Max is the addition of this camera, and we didn't see a camera in the original Google Home Hub. That was actually one of the main features of the Home Hub because they said that people didn't really want that kind of security issue in their home. But because this is basically a Nest, it really helps to have this camera here. But if you don't really want to use it, there is a physical switch on the back of here that actually turns the camera off, but it doesn't just cover the camera, it actually disconnects so you can have this peace of mind that it's not actually going to be recording with you when you don't want it to. Now, one of the other changes here is obviously the camera allows you to make things like duo video calls, and this is really useful because the camera will actually crop in and follow you around the room while you're moving around the room. Now, we saw this on the Facebook portal, so it's a really similar concept, but it's really nice to be able to do a duo video call and kind of be able to follow someone around the room without having to look at them really small on your screen. And because the Nest Home Max is a lot bigger than the original Google Home Hub, you've also got more speakers. You've got 2 tweeters in the front of this thing, and then you've got 1 in the back. So it gets really plenty loud, and it's gonna be a nice Google Home overall if you just wanted a nice smart home speaker in your house. All right, so if you want to get your hands on either a Google Nest Hub or a Google Nest Hub Max, they will be available later this summer for $129 for what used to be the Google Home Hub and $229 for the new Max. So make sure you stay tuned to AndroidAuthority.com and our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a ton of stuff from Google I/O. We've got a lot of new hardware here, a lot of new software updates here. There's so much information, so stay tuned to our website and I will catch you in the next video.